Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friend, today in this video I will show you how you can install apps on your external storage on your SD card of your mobile phone in your Android mobile phone. So if you want to install more apps and your phone memories get full and you want to install these apps on a SD card, then you can do. There is one settings in your mobile phone. So first of all, here you can see I'm using Android version 11 for making this video. So here you can see Android version. So first, initially you have to enable the developer option. This developer option you have to enable. Inside that developer option you will get that options to install apps on a external SD card. So for enabling the developer option you have to enter this version and click on this build number. You will get the build number inside the set about phone and click on this build number 7 times. After that your developer option will get enabled. The message you can see at the bottom. So now you have to come back and click on this additional setting. Inside the additional settings you will get your developer option. So here you can see developer option. Initially this developer option is not here. You have to enable. After that this will come here. So open this developer option and go to the bottom, and here you can see one option I have enabled, which I have enabled this option, force allow app on external storage. So just enable this option, and whenever you are installing new apps your mobile phone will force that app to install on your external SD card. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.